Yes, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your boy MC Come and See, aka Popore Master. I beg, I just dey again post from Facebook. I see some things. I beg, aproko people, make una share this live video, make e go viral. If you make una put am for Naija Watch, anywhere, share am to your people because wetin I wan talk e dey important. Abeg, brothers and sisters out in Nigeria, if you know that you have sister here in Germany, if you have sister here in Germany, call him or her, ask her say how you take dey, what of your husband? Because I just dey on Facebook yesterday, I just see one of our sister wetin she dey try talk. I know say many people no understand, make I help am break am. You see all those single mother wetin dem dey do for Germany. Me when dey talk to you now, I live in Germany. Yes, I dey report for Germany. This single mother wetin dem dey do e no good. You go see one woman go dey carry 4 children, 5 children. You ask am say where im papa? You say im papa dey Italy, im papa dey France. And if you say make you go the detail, you see that 5 children, that 4, that 6, no be one papa e get. Ezekiel go dey there, John go dey there, Abraham go dey there, Ola go dey there. Wetin dey happen? Wetin dey happen? And una wey dey Nigeria na no go know wetin men dey face for Europe here. And all those single mother, wetin dem dey try do? Because dem know say if with their man dey house, dem no go fit dey take care of that money, but dem go dey find one or two things to make their husband make dem separate dem. Na wetin dey go on for Germany now. Dem dey like separate. Any small thing before the man just cough, dem go just dey threa ten am. I wan go tell Landrasa. Before the man shit, I wan go tell Landrasa. Before dem don turn men like broom wey dem take dey sweep. Jesus, wetin dey happen? Abeg, if you know say your sister dey Europe, Germany here, mostly Germany, try call am say how far, how you and your husband dey do. Dey try reach am, make you dey encourage am. Because dem dey try copy for wetin Patricia, Patricia, wetin, how many name I go call? How many name? Dem wan copy because dem see say Anita, dem see say Odion, dem see say Tracy don dey wear markers because him and im husband dey house. Because if you wan go buy something, your husband say how far na the children dey. Dem go dey find one or two things. The husband no go talk. Before the husband say something, na problem, because na woman country. Abeg, this thing no good. The single mother, that is wetin I wan let una know. Wetin me I wan let una know, wetin Jamie don dey plan now. Oh, Allah for single mother wey no know yourself. You no know say if you and your husband dey hard, dem dey respect una die, dem dey give una 100%, dem dey cut for una. But watch am, if all those single mother, you go see one helper dey come, I wan dey help you. E wan dey monitor you because you know say you no dey with man for house. Dem wan treat una fuck up. Wetin dey on board now, wetin dey? All those single mother when their husband no dey where dem dey. My sister, oh God, una time dey come wey be say una go find crown and no go see. You wey don pursue your husband because of 200. You wey don pursue your husband because of 200. I pity for you. Dem say it's a pity for Mr. Peter. The thing dey pay me. Why e dey pay me? Because of my Nigeria people. E get where I go enter now, they just dey talk about Nigeria. I go dey ashamed. Wait, how much? You no go fit go work. When you dey Nigeria, you know as e dey be now. You dey craze. You the woman dey mad. You get too head. When your husband tell you say sit down there, you no go sit down. Your husband tell you say stay there, you no go stay there. Who be you? You no get right. Nah, because na woman country. Before the man say, hey, Joel, you say, why you dey call me? This and this, Dorek. My sister, no be so. All those money wey you dey see so, e no dey reach anything. If you and that your husband dey hard, that your husband dey work, my sister, you go see respect wey Jemmy go dey give you. You just dey because the man no dey let you dey go party, because the man no dey let you dey do rubbish, you just go donate the man to the government, say you no need am again. Una go hear what last. And any woman wey dey try that rubbish, oh God, I said that may you let that woman suffer 100 years. Yes, as he put that brother, that man in pain, may you put that woman the same pain more than that brother. You go see some men now when they deport, when they dey prison, when they dey different problem. Now the women, now then they put her. They will go dey lie against that woman, against that man. And so the man they do, and so the man they say this one, and so whereas the man no they do nothing. And these women are then they encourage the man, may they say all those things. At last they will come use that against that man. I say una, thunder wey go strike una, the thunder they wear cloth and they train. The thunder wey go strike all those single mother wey no know their self. No be all single mother, e get some single mother when they know their self, when men still make them be single mother. I'm not talking to all those one. Yes, because they say out of 20, 10 they are still good. E get some single mother, they are good. Yeah, not all. Some are men, they frustrate them. I no fit see the good wey I not talk am. Yes, because they see some of women, if you go their history, you go see and say na men fuck them up. But mostly the rate for single mother, oh God, because of 220. Because of 220, you dey pursue your husband up and down. You dey let government they pursue you up, and you know say family, if they are together, they no dey disturb them. But once you as a woman don't go donate your husband for all those social, for all those helper, they don't start to disturb that man. For them, they don't enter the man body. I beg, change. God they watch you now. That's why I talk and reach. God they watch you now. Make una change. Make una not come say na so as come and see they talk at that time. Yes, I they talk the reality. Change. Useless single mother when no know their self. Now they talk to this message is for useless single mother when no know their self. You as a single mother, you know yourself. May you just see they continue your good work and not let all those bad single mother they corrupt you. If they come meet you say na like this, tell them say no, I not pray to be single mother, but now that man I concern. Yeah, this message come from MC Come and See. Yes.